How to start mining Picoin. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for Pi Network. Download and install the official Pi Network app. Second, sign up and verify. Open the app and sign up using your Facebook or phone number. Verify your phone number to secure your account. Third, enter an invitation code. You can use code jonggamusika or find one online. Pi Network requires an invitation from an existing user to join. Fourth, start mining. Tap the Mine button every 24 hours to earn Pi coins. Mining does not use significant battery power or data. Fifth, increase your earnings. Invite friends to boost your mining rate. Join security circles after mining for 3 days to secure the network and earn more. Sixth, KYC verification. This is optional but required for withdrawals. To transfer Pi coins in the future, you must complete Know Your Customer or KYC verification. This step is gradually rolled out to users. And 7, wait for Mainnet launch. Pi Network is still in the development phase. Once the Mainnet is fully launched, Pi coins may be traded or used for transactions. While Pi isn't yet tradable on major exchanges, its growing community and future roadmap could make it a valuable asset. Could Pi coin be the next big thing in crypto? Only time will tell. Start mining today, because the future of digital currency might just be in your pocket. Join millions of users worldwide and be part of the revolution. Use the invitation code jonggamusika to get started now. Don't wait. Start mining Picoin today.